The universe is vast, ancient. Among billions of galaxies, one small world looks back into the dark. Statistically, life should be everywhere.
Yet, we hear nothing.
Our signals leak into space, like whispers in a graveyard.
Searching for a pulse. Searching for an answer. But the answer is always the same. Total, absolute silence. Decades turn into centuries of waiting. Our message is a bottle in a dead ocean.
If we are not alone, why are they so quiet?
Foundations of empires turned into cosmic dust.
The math says they exist. The eyes say they don't.
A heartbeat in the dark, gone before we could trace it. We are shouting into a forest, hoping for a friend. But we forgot the first rule of the woods. Curiosity was our greatest strength.
And now, it is our greatest threat.
The hunters have heard us. They are not looking for friends. They are looking for threats.
This is the fate of those who were heard too late. Axiom 1. Survival is the primary need of every civilization.
Axiom 2. Civilization grows, but total matter remains constant.
The universe is a dark forest. Every civilization is an armed hunter, stalking through the trees.
A campfire is a death sentence.
In the dark, there is no room for mercy. Only the silent survive.
One by one, the lights are going out.
Why is everyone hiding? The answer is a chain of suspicion. And you don't know if I think you are benevolent or malevolent.
Distance makes trust impossible. Time makes dialogue a risk.
To speak is to reveal your location. To reveal is to die.
Silence is the only shield. Darkness is the only armor.
They have been watching us since our first radio wave.
Technology doesn't just advance, it explodes. In the time it takes to say hello, a threat can become a god. Every civilization is a ticking time bomb of potential. To the hunters, you are not a neighbor. You are a threat to be neutralized. Extermination is not an act of hate. It is an act of efficiency.
The hunters are tidying up the forest.
Our greetings never reached them. Our location did.
We are the only ones making noise in a room full of killers. They don't need to visit us to kill us.
The ultimate weapon is not a bomb. It is a change in dimension.
Holding space like a map, with us inside. The forest cleans itself. The universe becomes a dark forest. Where revealing yourself is a fatal mistake. Not because predators are common,
but because one is enough.
To be seen is to be destroyed.
Every signal we send is a beacon for our own extinction.
Data is the scent that predators follow.
For them, we are just a file to be closed. No war, no struggle, just removal. Our legacy erased in a heartbeat. Even our silence might be too late.
The hunter has already pulled the trigger.
They don't come to conquer. They come to sanitize. Trust is a luxury the universe cannot afford. A Dyson sphere built not for energy, but for concealment.
Even the innocent are taught to be still.
Hide well, or die well. A warning shot? No, just target practice.
By the time we see them, the game is over.
The forest has its own immune system. Speak no more. Fear the stars. They are already in our backyard. Our music was an invitation to a funeral. No one is coming to save us. No one can afford to. In this game, the first strike is the only logical move. We must break our own worlds to hide. The target is locked. The math is absolute. The sun will not set today. It will be extinguished.
A civilization that learned the lesson too late.
The forest always wins. Darkness always returns. Logic has replaced empathy in the cold heart of the forest.
The probes are not seeking knowledge. They are seeking targets.
To remain silent is to live. To speak is to be erased.
In the blink of a cosmic eye, a neighbor becomes a predator.
We are no longer hidden. We are marked.
The graveyards of the universe are filled with the curious. Our dreams of first contact were nightmares in disguise. The dimension of life is being folded away.
They are the janitors of the cosmos. And we are the clutter.
History is written by the silent. The loud are forgotten. The signal has hit the wall. The forest has closed its gates.
We are being watched by things that do not know how to blink.
Humanity is finally learning to be quiet. But is it too late?
The forest is full of traps. And we just stepped on one.
The gap between civilizations is too wide for words. Only weapons can cross it.
A clean death. No ruins. No memories.
Our pride was our loudest signal.
They didn't come to talk. They came to finish the job.
The end is not a bang. It is a whisper.
The hunters do not hate you. They simply cannot risk your existence. A weapon of pure geometry. A sliver of paper that kills a world.
To the hunters, we are not even worth the cost of a bomb.
Our curiosity led us to the edge of the abyss.
Our only hope was the threat of mutual destruction.
The forest is being mapped by those who came before us.
We are just another entry in the catalogue of the vanished.
The sun still shines, but there is no one left to see it.
In the dark forest, even the gods can die. They found us because we wanted to be found.
Our final message was a plea for mercy. It was ignored.
The universe does not remember the loud.
The forest is growing. The shadows are deepening.
They were here before us. They will be here after.
No shield is strong enough for the truth of the...
Time is the predator, though no one can outrun.
The last signal. The final silence. Humanity has finally joined the forest. By disappearing, the shadows have arrived. And they are hungry.
The forest is returning to its natural state, absolute darkness.
Don't look up. Don't speak. Just wait.
The era of noise is over.
Beyond the forest, there is only more forest.
We didn't pass the test. No one does.
We do not know who drew it.
Or what happens after.
It is a warning.